Hello everyone, my name is Ragul. At present, I am working as a cloud engineer for an IT company in Chennai. I had taken up IELTS training from TRICHY Plus, which started a month ago. Throughout the course, I have noticed a lot of differences in my vocabulary as well as speaking abilities. Even my reading skills have improved a lot. Earlier, I used to be really scared of writing long passages, whereas now I'm really comfortable in noting down my thoughts on paper and enhancing my writing skills. Coming to the staffs and teachers, they are really helpful and polite, and when it comes to classroom teaching, they give a detailed explanation and information about the course as well as how to improve your skills to achieve a better score. The teachers are very considerate when it comes to doubt clearing, be it in class or during off hours. We even had several interactive sessions and speaking activities during the course to improve upon our language delivery skills. Their motivation and belief in me has also helped me to gain confidence in myself to aim for a really good score in my examination. I would recommend everyone to join the program and see a drastic change in yourself when it comes to English as a proficiency language. Finally, I am really grateful to all my mentors who have helped me to sharpen my skills throughout the journey. Thank you.